Come back to another video and another market breakdown. Today I'm going to be looking at the USD yen pair, and I think what we have right now is quite interesting. So this is the yearly chart, all right? So one thing I always like to do is to mark the open and the close of a bar, and we are now up, trading higher than the open of the year, which means this is bullish sign for me. Just by looking at the chart, this is bullish for me. And however, what you see here, we were all down bearish, but the last year we have broken this structure by taking this high that's caused this low, right? So which means this can actually continue higher, but I wouldn't be so excited because this is more like a trading range pattern for me right now, at least for now, and I will share the reasons why for that. So, anyways, whenever you have a long tail, I always expect it to be filled at some time in the future. It seems we are heading higher, at least to fill 50% or 75% of it. Sometimes fill it all and rolls over for a breakout. But anyways, I'm not gonna be like buying as resistance because this is a resistance. However, I will be buying just what is considered high and maybe higher low and maybe will roll over down. Anyways, so I have let's go to the monthly chart very quick. Where is the monthly chart? And I think this video is going to be very educative for many people out there. So I have market, I have no levels right now, but I'm going to bring them up. Let's go to the weekly. Just in the weekly is going to be more precise. All right. So what we have in the weekly, all right, let me bring my levels. Okay, these are my levels. What we have in the weekly, I always look where bulls take profit and where bears take profit. And this level is interesting. This is where bulls took profit. Why it's interesting? I'm going to show you just a little trick very quick. If you do a line chart. Why a line chart? Because I like to mark the close and the open and the close of the bars. I don't care, really. I don't care about the tails because they run for or they run for orders and stuffs and just like that. It's like some call them stop hand, some call them. I don't really care what people call them. But anyways, if you take just your Fibonacci levels, it's not I use Fibonacci and treat it. It's just I use it as a tool to give me a measured move. All right. Okay. What is this? If you take the range that we broke up, okay, we were in a trading range. We broke up from the range. Where would you expect bulls to take profit? Is at a measured move, and this is the measure. Look at this price, 151.82, and that was the high. If we come back and see the bars, that's where we stopped. All right. So we stopped there. So I know that bulls took profit. A lot of profit has been taken there, and we were in the way to comparison. Maybe bears are shorting here, but anyways. But what we have right now is quite interesting. This is for me is bullish, and I'm gonna explain why. So what we had here is a wedge. Why wedge is like push one, push two, push three with three touches. I don't need to draw a line here. I don't need lines to trade, but your eyes can see them. You can if you do this, that's a wedge. All right. So whenever you have a wedge with three touches, you expect the price to come back to the beginning of the wedge or the channel, and that's where you expect balls to step up their balls. Exactly. So here, sometimes it goes lower. Sometimes it depends. All right, it depends. Here I am witnessing that both actually had the balls to buy, so we should be bullish right now. And this is the weekly, and we have broken higher with mini bars, and we have mini bars closing at this high, so that's very bullish for me. If we go back to the daily, I have explained it all when the price was here. I have really shared many ideas why we should be buying and not shorting at these levels, and I have shared that idea to buy really here. I'm not gonna go on. look for it, but you can go and learn from it. Right now, this law, I actually shared it, but I didn't catch it because sometimes I'm sleeping in the Asian session, and I don't like to leave my orders is there specifically with a very volatile pair. So it's very hard to catch your ideas if you are sleeping, right? But anyways, here are the levels. I want you to pay attention to these levels. Go mark them in your chart if you want. All right, we had this high because this low we broke above it, which means we have shifted the structure to the bullish side. All right, we are looking for longs. And what are the good levels to buy? There are okay. I've marked here few levels. I don't want to buy here. It's very hard for me to really accept buying. This is overextended. Look, we had a up, came back. Up, I expect at least the price to give me a chance to get for a swing. And one of the levels I like to buy is support, and this is a good level of support. Why? This is the last high that's actually goes the low, which means this is the point of interest for me to buy long. And if the price gives me the chance to come lower here, or at least somewhere there, and give me some kind of consolidation here, I'm gonna be buying this, targeting this high here, and after the mid of the range, and if it continues higher, I'm gonna be targeting the 50% fail on the yearly, and sometimes if it keeps going up, I'm gonna be just buying. I have no reason to be shorting this. All right. I hope this chart and this session, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, I guess, is very long, is useful for you. And if you like the idea, just share it with your friends, maybe, because that supports the channel as well. And see you with another pair.